Looking for the right vehicle? Check out the 2020 Equinox. This vehicle is powered by a four-wheel drive, four-cylinder, 1.5-liter engine, and comes with a automatic transmission. Great fuel efficiency saves you money by requiring fewer trips to the gas station. This vehicle has less than 25,000 miles. Here are some of this vehicle's great options: premium wheels, electronic stability control, alloy wheels, brake assist, traction control, anti-lock braking system, remote keyless entry, power brakes, speed control, four-wheel disc brakes. Inside you'll find backup camera, heated seats, keyless entry, remote start, premium sound system, security system, low tire pressure warning, trip computer, power door locks, power windows. This beauty is sure to make you the talk of the neighborhood. So call or drop in for a test drive today.
This is a one-owner vehicle with a CARFAX Vehicle History Report. Be sure to find a complimentary copy of this report online or contact the dealership. This vehicle qualifies for the CARFAX Buyback Guarantee.